Hi all. So I'm going to be getting my hair done today, and I'm going to be getting some extensions put in from this website that my hairdresser recommended. And I purchased 24 inches, and I already looked at these, and to me they're pretty long, but I think they're pretty thin at the bottom. So I got 3 packs because your girl has no hair. Okay, so I got a 22 inch, which is this first one, and I believe they're all 50 grams. This one I think is 25 grams, so this is the least amount of grams. So this is the 22. This is supposed to go like towards the front of my face. And then these are the 24 inches. And so it's 100 grams total. I opened one package and it seemed like pretty thin at the bottom, so I don't know how it's gonna look. To begin with, I don't know if I have enough hair anyways for her to be able to stick all of these in there or on there. And yeah, I don't know if I mentioned this, but they're tape-ins. And this color is 1B/99 Jade. So it's supposed to be like dark at the top, like black, and then it fades down to like this burgundy color. Like if the lights were off, it would just look black, but because the light is on, you can tell like it's burgundy-ish. But I was actually trying to find like a brighter burgundy, but this ended up being a pretty darker version of what I actually wanted, but I purchased it anyway, so we'll see how that goes. 22 inches of the 25 grams of hair, and then 250 grams of the 24 inch hair. So hopefully it's not super like long and crazy looking on me. Because this is probably the longest I've ever grown out my hair, which to me this is probably what, like 18 already. It's not long enough for me. Plus, so I have like these split ends here. I wanted to chop off like a lot of it off, and yeah, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, the hair is in. So I'm gonna pull it up forward. It's been a while, so my curls kind of went down a little bit. So this is the length. I should probably just show you in the mirror. This is the length. I don't know if you can see it well because of the lighting. Excuse the dirty mirror, but that's the length. I'm trying to show you guys. So it comes up here, all the way down to my butt crack. And let me show you guys better lighting. Okay, there we go. That's much better. See, I wish I had a stand right here. Anyways, so this is the hair. Trying to pull it forward. It's a lot of hair. She ended up putting everything in there. So what she did was she colored my hair. She did some highlights. They're kind of like under there somewhere. And the extensions were supposed to be balayage, but we could tell they were just ombre with a little bit of the little highlights at the top. So I told her I wanted more color up top, so that's what she did to my real hair. And this is pretty much it. It's pretty long. See? And it feels pretty heavy compared to, you know, my own hair, because she said my hair was already pretty long, so the 24 was going to blend well. And yeah, I don't have any makeup on. I look weird, so I'll insert, or I'll try to insert some pictures of what I look like, I don't know, when I'm dressed up, and I look pretty good. Yeah, sorry for the dirty mirror, but yeah, this is 24 inches and it's pretty good. I like the length. Gross, I really need to clean that. Yeah. Okay. It doesn't feel heavy at all. I already have thin hair as it is, so it feels pretty good. She had to stack a couple in the back, like towards the top. Let me see if I can show you guys. If I can find one. Yeah, you can't really see them unless I like pull my hair up. Okay. You see it? It's right here. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. There's one right there. Anywho, peace. Thank you for watching.